Part 1. Applying risk management clauses. Contract negotiation. Grocery store incorporation versus vegetable greenhouse corporation. First one. Quality of product. Refrigerated transport requirement. One critical risk management clause is the requirement that all vegetable be delivered in refrigerated trucks, including those operated by third-party haulers. This protects grocery stores in corporation from receiving spoiled or substandard vegetables, which could lead to lost sales, dissatisfied customers, and even health violation. It also protects Vegetable Greenhouse Corporation by clearly defining quality expectations, reducing the disputes over freshness. Second, liquidated damages, predictable compensation for late deliveries. To address the risk for late deliveries, we include a liquidated damage clause. If deliveries are more than 4 hours late or missed entirely, grocery store INC will receive a $200 50 credit per instance up to maximum of 1000 per month. This gives grocery store incorporation some compensation without exposing vegetable greenhouse to unpredictable lawsuits or excessive penalties. It also encourages the supplier to remain accountable. Third one, force measure, protection from uncontrollable events. We also include a force majeure clause which protects both parties in case of events beyond their control, such as extreme weather, road closure, or natural disasters. If deliveries can't be made due to such events, neither side is held legally responsible. This is essential for long-term contract in the food supply industry, where supply chain are vulnerable to external disruptions. Fourth, abbreviation, fast and private dispute resolution. Lastly, disputes between the two parties will be resolved through binding abbreviation within 30 days in Ontario. This is quicker and less expensive than going to court, and it helps protect the business relationships and manipulation and relationships and reputations of both the companies. Fifth, key risk management benefits. Together, these clauses, refrigerated delivery, liquidated damages, force majeure, and arbitration, protect both sides from risk while ensuring that they can operate efficiently and build strong term relationships. Thank you.